just had a bath and this is my bare skin, okay? I've moisturized my face very well. मैं pure virgin coconut oil use करती हूँ and I have a bit of lip tint applied, as you can see. आपको लगेंगे बस 5 products, okay? And the 5 products are easily there in your house. You don't need to buy extra. To begin with, वो 5 products है एक highlighter, कोई भी brand का हो सकता है, a concealer, a lipstick, any lipstick, a mascara and a blush. तो मेरे पास liquid blush नहीं था तो मैंने मंगवाया है from this brand called as Fake Beauty and I'm gonna unbox it right in front of you. So this is the box. मैंने अब तक इसको खोला भी नहीं है. And I've also ordered the lip gloss and I thought why not give it a try. I would again suggest prep your skin, like moisturize it very well, okay? Now take your concealer and start applying where you want the coverage, okay? I apply it here underneath my eye, a bit on my forehead over here. Same goes on the other side as well. A bit near my this zone, a bit more here. Now we're gonna blend in, okay? Nicely, like dab, 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 and blend it in your skin. Nicely in the inner corner. तो ये अच्छे से blend हो चुका है, ठीक है? Like evenly blended. अब हम लगाएंगे मस्कारा, okay? जितने भी कोट्स आपको चाहिए होंगे. And this is what I do. I do this. मुझे ना ये पोर्शन में ऐसे करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It just adds more look to the eye. मैंने एक हल्का सा लाइट कोट लगाया हुआ है. आपको जितने भी चाहिए उतने कोट्स लगा सकते हो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन हाउ बोल्ड यू वांट द लुक टू बी. नाउ इफ यू वांट आप नीचे ही मस्कारा लगा सकते हो. अब हमने मस्कारा लगा लिया है. अब हम लगाएंगे ब्लश. This is the gloss and this is the blush. Cute packaging though. Okay, this is very cute. And now we're gonna blend it. You can use your hands like your fingertips or a blender. I'm gonna do it with my hands. Oh, this is nice. It's very pigmented. Very pigmented, तो थोड़ा कम ही लेना, ठीक है? Now we're gonna apply the remaining over here. We're gonna do the same to this side as well. थोड़ा कम लेना. That's all. Gonna blend in again. So now the blush is blended. अब हम लगाएंगे highlighter. मैं highlighter भी अपने हाथ से ही लगाती हूँ. So all you need is to highlight this portion of your nose. Okay, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे and then इसको अच्छे से blend कर लेना है. You can see it here. And then the same thing, I'm gonna apply it over here. तो हमने concealer लगा लिया है, highlighter लगा लिया है, blush लगा लिया है. Now we need to do the lips. Try this out. Again, nice packaging. It smells delicious. Hasn't that turned out pretty and gorgeous? मुझे तो cute भी लग रहा है. I think I really loved it. Like, not bragging, क्योंकि this is not sponsored, but I really do love this. You look at this and it's not even वो चिपचिपाहट नहीं है. It's not sticky as well. काफ़ी अच्छा है. Like I really love that. Also now आपके पास कोई भी मैट लिपस्टिक, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपके पास ग्लॉस होना चाहिए. आप कोई भी लिपस्टिक यूज़ कर सकते हो. Trust me. Just have to dab 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 dab. खत्म. Like you don't need a lot of products for this look. Let me show you my whole look today. because मैं ready हुई हूँ and this outfit I'm wearing that I love. So let me show you how well this goes. This is the entire look and this is the outfit.